Windows are a key feature of any Clearwater home, providing natural light, ventilation, and beautiful views of the coastal surroundings. However, they also play a critical role in your home's security. Even the strongest windows won't offer maximum protection if they are poorly installed. Proper window installation ensures that your home remains safe and secure, protecting your family, belongings, and peace of mind. Here's how professional window installation enhances home security for Clearwater residents and why it's a smart investment. Prevents easy access for intruders. Windows are often seen as weak points in a home's security, but proper installation can significantly reduce their vulnerability. Poorly installed windows may have gaps, loose frames, or faulty locks, making it easier for intruders to gain entry. Benefits of proper installation. Secure fit. Professional installers ensure windows fit tightly within the frame, eliminating gaps that could be pried open. Reinforced frames. High-quality installation techniques strengthen the frame's connection to the wall, making it harder for intruders to force entry. Lock functionality. Installers test and secure locks to ensure they operate correctly, providing an additional layer of protection. A securely installed window deters burglars by making your home a more difficult target. Enhances the strength of impact-resistant windows. In Clearwater, where tropical storms and hurricanes are a concern, many homeowners invest in impact-resistant windows for added security. However, these windows are only as strong as their installation. Proper installation ensures correct alignment. Impact-resistant windows must be perfectly aligned to distribute force evenly across the glass. Reinforced anchoring. Professional installers use specialized techniques to anchor impact windows securely to the frame, maximizing their storm resistance. No weak points. Gaps or improper seals can undermine the effectiveness of even the most durable windows. With expert installation, impact-resistant windows provide reliable protection against both extreme weather and potential break-ins. Prevents forced entry through weak seals. Windows with poor seals or loose frames are easier to manipulate, allowing intruders to force their way inside. Proper installation eliminates these weak points. How proper seals improve security. Airtight seals. Professional installation ensures windows are sealed tightly to the frame, preventing tampering. Durable materials. Installers use high-quality caulking and weather stripping to create a secure barrier. Reduced flexibility. Properly sealed windows are more rigid, making it difficult for intruders to exploit weaknesses. Strong seals not only improve energy efficiency but also create a robust defense against forced entry. Supports advanced security features. Modern windows come with a range of advanced security features designed to protect your home, but these features are only effective if the windows are installed correctly. Key features supported by proper installation. Reinforced locks. Professional installers ensure locks are securely mounted and aligned for smooth operation. Laminated glass. Installation that ensures laminated or tempered glass is properly seated enhances its ability to resist impact. Sensors and alarms. Smart window sensors and alarms require precise installation to function reliably. By combining advanced security features with expert installation, your windows become a formidable barrier against unauthorized access. Protects against water damage that weakens security. Clearwater's humid climate and frequent storms can lead to water damage if windows are not installed properly. Water infiltration can weaken window frames, sills, and walls, compromising your home's security. How professional installation prevents water damage. Proper drainage. Installers ensure windows are designed to channel water away from your home. Sealed frames. High-quality seals prevent water from seeping into gaps around the frame. Durable materials. Installers use materials that resist corrosion and moisture damage. By keeping water out, proper installation maintains the structural integrity and security of your windows. Reduces the risk of glass breakage. Poorly installed windows are more prone to stress, misalignment, and breakage. Broken glass not only compromises security but also poses safety risks. Proper installation protects against breakage. Even weight distribution. Installers ensure the glass is properly supported to avoid stress cracks. Impact absorption. Correct installation techniques reduce the likelihood of glass shattering under pressure. Secure frames. Frames hold the glass firmly in place, preventing accidental dislodging or intentional breakage. Stronger, professionally installed windows provide peace of mind and added security. Boosts confidence in your home's safety. A home should be a safe haven, and knowing your windows are professionally installed adds to your peace of mind. Properly installed windows function reliably, withstand environmental pressures, and deter potential threats. Why it matters. Comprehensive protection. Your home is safeguarded against both natural and human threats. Lower maintenance. Professionally installed windows are less likely to develop issues that require frequent repairs. Enhanced property value. Secure windows are a selling point for future buyers, reflecting a well-maintained home. Investing in proper window installation is an investment in your family's safety and comfort. Conclusion. Windows are a vital part of your home's security, and proper installation ensures they perform their role effectively. From deterring intruders and supporting impact-resistant designs to preventing water damage and glass breakage, professionally installed windows provide unparalleled protection for Clearwater residents. If you're ready to enhance your home's security with expertly installed windows, contact a trusted professional in Clearwater today. With their expertise and attention to detail, you can enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing your home is safe and secure.